Hello, I'm Satyam Abhishek from the TIM. Welcome to the kickoff session of the Time Experience. I'm joined today by Mr. Yagnesh Kumar M, a senior manager at Walmart Global Tech. What is your advice to a student who is currently in their college? How do they discover their niche? What all they can try?
Yeah, it's a good framework called as SWOT analysis. So, strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats. You can consider you as a byproduct and try to have that mapping towards what are your strengths, what are your opportunities, what are your weakness, and what are your threats. So that way you will be able to clearly understand where you can focus more, and wherever you see as a threat or opportunity, you can start looking at improving the opportunity area and improve what you can improve so that your weakness can be overcome and changed as a strength. And then that will give you a end product of like which career path you need to choose and how you will be able to transform into your career as well.